Hey, what's going on, guys? So, for today, I am going to show you how to find Netflix password when you're logged in. Now, this is going to be easy, so let's start. So, first, let's go ahead and open Netflix. Now, here, if you go to your settings, you will find out that you cannot see your password in here. So there is no way for you to find your Netflix password in the Netflix app. So what you can actually do is you can go and open up your browser and go to netflix.com. Tap on sign in and here provide your email address. Now, Netflix is going to give you this password here, and what you can actually do is click on the show button here, and it is going to show you your Netflix password. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.